Hi everybody, this is Lauren of planmoshplan. Welcome back to a rewind plan with me. I'm using this kit called Home Sweet Home from GP Sticker Studio, and I am memory planning the week that we moved into our apartment. I thought that this kit was super pretty and perfect for it because it's just a bunch of it's like home design stuff, which Gabby is super into, the owner of GP Sticker Studio. She actually has an account for an Instagram account just for that kind of stuff. But I'm showing you, I got the personal kit and the full deluxe kit. One of the cool things about her kits, and these are all the foil things that I'm using. I'm using the Stella colorway in rose gold from Clever Gal Crafts and some other just rose gold stickers that I pulled out. That is a tassel, and those are some, I think the mauve washi with rose gold from Simply Gilded. Anyways, I was saying Gabby from GP Sticker Studio, she is super into the home design stuff and has an Instagram for it as well. So I thought that this kit would be really perfect for moving day stuff. There's a couple clip arts right now that are out right now, I guess, that are moving day themed, but I didn't really enjoy any of them. So I kind of preferred this just I don't know, just home style kind of kit instead, because obviously everything, I wish my apartment looked like how all these full boxes look. This stuff is gorgeous. It's I wish, but yeah. By the way, can you see my really cute bathrobe that I'm wearing? I'm embarrassed you can see it. That's okay. We're gonna move past that. And then I wanted to mention too, I always do, that I have a coupon code for GP Sticker Studio. It's LaurenPR20. I always link it down below. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'm just kind of filling out. I did the upper left-hand corner with deco, which I normally love to do, but this week it didn't work. I don't know. It's not the deco's fault. It's 100% my fault kind of a thing, but I wanted to use that Hello April sticker too because I messed up with the last plan with me and did it on the wrong week in my Erin Condren, so I forgot to use that sticker because I was planning in March when really whatever, it doesn't matter. But so I just chose to use that Hello April sticker from Rose Color Days in the upper left hand corner. So yeah, and now I'm just doing kind of the basic stuff using the date covers. I chose the date covers that were patterned that match both of them are patterned to match the kit, but A, I loved this pattern a lot, and B, the other pattern was just a marble that you could literally use with any kit, so I figured I would save that just for a rainy day if I ever needed headers. And then I'm about to move on to the sidebar, which is pretty self-explanatory. So yeah, I thought that maybe what I would do, I feel bad about this part of my plan with me always because I kind of I don't change this part up too much. It's not that interesting, I feel, watching people do their sidebar and place their full boxes and just kind of put the base of the kit down. So I had some questions that I hope I'm saying this right. I think it's Christyle M, or I think her name is Chrissy, but she's such a great subscriber of mine, so supportive always. When I had made a video that I really sped through this part because I was super I don't want to talk over it, I never know what to say. She was oh, well, what if you answer questions? And she put a bunch of questions for me to answer in the comment of that video, which I just thought was so nice. I'm always whoa, I can't I don't know. People are so kind to me on the internet, and it's just wow. Not that they're not in real life, but I always just get surprised by that. So I thought I would answer some of her questions while I kind of talk through the basics of this kit, or while I just kind of place down the basics of this kit, since it pretty much stays the same from week to week. Although I will say the headers that I use this week in the sidebar are from, those ones right there, are from Nicole Alexia Design. Okay, so the first question that she asked me was, what do you do with your leftovers? Kit leftovers, she means. I used to, back when I had a little bit more time on my hands, I used to have a personal plan. Well, I still have it, but I have a personal size planner that I literally just keep all my kit leftovers, and then whenever I'm feeling I'm all caught up on planning, I have both weeks planned in my 2 Erin Condrens, and I just want the creative outlet, I'll go back and use the kit leftovers to plan in my personal planner. Now, I haven't done that in probably like, I don't know, definitely since I've had the job that I'm at right now, just because I just don't, like, I'm still, I mean, clearly I'm planning the week of April 2nd, and today I think is like May 6th, so clearly a little behind, but ideally, in my ideal world, that's what I do. I have so much crafting inserts that are in a personal planner, and maybe I'll go onto my Instagram stories and do a little flip through of like how I use the kit leftovers. If you're interested in that from my old like personal planner, my Instagram is the same handle as my YouTube. It's planmoshplan. So that's what I do with the kit leftovers. And then let's see, the next question she asked me would you ever consider using a non-Etsy kit like a Mombi sticker book? I totally would. I have probably like, not even kidding, probably like 20 to 25 Mombi sticker books. I used to be super into it. I like bought a ton of them maybe like a year ago, like February of 2017, is that right? Probably. I was like super into it. I had a happy planner that I would like try and use as my like plan ahead planner, which has never been my style. I've always been more of like a either rewind plan or like plan as I go, or like I also sometimes describe my style as rewind plan as I go, where like every day I just like kind of journal what I actually did that day. Sometimes I'll like put stuff in first and then like fill in the rest afterwards. But anyways, I tried to like get a happy planner and use Mombi sticker books to like plan ahead in my weeks, but I just never like, in real life I am such a flaky person, which is horrible, and my plans change all the time and whatever, so it just never, I always get really frustrated when I put something in my planner that doesn't happen, so it didn't really work out for me. Oh gosh, okay, we're done. I'll answer the rest of the questions next time. Wow, that was quick. I was trying to show you, I'm using a Pilot, what are they called? Shoot. Oh, it's right here. Hold on. A Pilot paper, not Pilot, a Papermate Inkjoy in Inkjoy gel in 0.5. GP Sticker Studio stickers, some of them are vinyl. This kit is vinyl, so I have to use a permanent marker. I use the Le Pen permanent marker on the actual stickers, and although I prefer using like a 0.3 gel pen on Erin Condren paper, I like the like pens to match up and not look like, super thick on the stickers and super thin without, so I used a thicker 0.5 this week. And then really quickly, what you missed that I did, I put down a flag from the kit, and then a dollar sign, a rose gold dollar sign from Rose Colored Days to mark my time card was due. I put a laundry sticker from the kit, and I like chopped off the text because I don't really love text stickers, and wrote in laundry myself on a label from the personal kit, and then I wrote down grocery run with a flag and icon from the kit. And then work this week, I did have a lot of meetings this week, and I marked them all with the Nicole Alexia Designs work header, the Clever Gal Crafts bow from the Stella kit, the checklists from that I like kind of cut down myself from the GP Sticker Studio kit, and then I would like write my meetings in, and that's how I do it every single day, because I had meetings every single day this week. And then I also just had a little to-do that I put down on Monday, and I used that bow, which is from a Hello Petite paper, like a winter love like planning kind of sheet. Okay. Whew, that was a lot. And then on to Tuesday, I had so many meetings that day, and I just marked them the same way as I normally did. I don't love how the like flag goes over onto the bottom washi, but it is what it is. Okay, so also on Tuesday, I was again moving this week, so I went to Target on Tuesday night to buy some lamps. So I grabbed some like a lamp deco from the kit, which was perfect, and wrote that in. And then I also got my bedding at Anthropologie. Thank God there was a 20% off home stuff sale that day, because let me tell you, it wasn't cheap, but my bedding is so beautiful. I love it so much. So I used that kind of like sleep mask and blanket sticker from my newest addiction to mark that I got the bedding at Anthro. There's an Anthro by me that is literally like a museum. It's the most gorgeous store I've ever been to. I swear to you. I think I pretty much did laundry every day this week in preparation for moving, so I wasn't moving dirty clothes. And I use that with like a, what is it, hexagon? No, quint, I don't know. I can't remember what the one for 5 sides is called. And then like a little sticker, asterisk sticker from the kids. I woke up really early on Wednesday. I don't know why, I can't remember, but I marked it. That flower is from a GP Sticker Studio sampler, like a freebie. So I marked that, and then the spacing was weird on this day, and I kind of wish that I hadn't done what I did with the up early, because I wanted to put it below the work meetings situation, but it is what it is. So I ended up, I was marking 4 meetings, but one of them was really not a meeting. It was more just like a call that I had like predetermined a time, but I had to like call a coworker at a certain time. So I wrote down like my actual meetings under the work sticker just to like make everything fit, since I had already put the up early sticker up there. And then I marked the call that I needed to make. I think I'm grabbing it now. Yeah, I take a little teardrop and this work laptop, which again, I'm cutting the script off. I don't love, I always just find with like the icons like this that I don't love having scripts on them, because like they're super specific if there's a script on it, but if there's no script on it, then I can make it work for like what I need it to work for. So I cut off the script, and instead I layered it over the, what's that called? Oh, like the teardrop, and I put the time there, and I think it looks cute. I took another one of those bows from the Hello Petite paper sheet to mark that I had to coordinate our signing of the lease that day. And then I took this really cute Me Time bath sticker and layered it over a flag from the kit to mark that I also went to bed early that night, since I woke up really early that day. Yeah, and that's the first half of the week. On Monday, I think I'm grabbing one of the little like arrow flags from the personal kit, which I love those. I think they're super cute, and layering the coffee sticker over it, which I really like how that looks, to mark that I had a Starbucks run. And then my coworkers were, like my team members were traveling that day to a project that was like really important, and I needed to kind of be in communication with them. So I marked that they were at that project with a half box, and it had a little globe on the half box. So I thought that was cute to mark like travel. I don't know. This is like how my mind works. And then the rest of Thursday, I'm just marking all the meetings that I had. Again, I'm like, this week I just had a ton of meetings every single day. Yeah, I definitely go through like ebbs and flows depending on how many projects are like in flight, or like where we are with all the projects that we do at work, of how many meetings I have a day. But this week was kind of overwhelming, where I was just like, whoa, like how am I supposed to get any actual work done when I'm just meeting about work all day instead? Yeah, okay, so on to Friday. I took a payday sticker from Rose Color Days in rose gold foil, and I am taking a marble flag from the kit. At first I put it down like all the way across, but if you watch my Plan With Me's a lot, you probably know that I really like to trim flags so that they don't cover the full width of a box. So it's like, I don't know, I just think it looks better. So I did that to mark payday, trimmed it down, and then I put a flag down to mark that I had to sort out our bed being delivered. Oh, I also finished that sheet of work stickers from Nicole Lexi Designs. I don't know why I'm always so proud of myself when I finish a sheet of stickers. But yeah, I put the bed delivery down. What was I going to say about that? I don't know. My bed though, oh my God. My boyfriend and I got like, we like kind of splurged on a bed because we're like, we'll have this for like 10 years. And there's nothing more important to both of us than sleeping well. And literally, it's the best thing I've ever done. Like did I write sort bed delivery twice? Lauren Nicole, jeez, don't mind me. I pulled that sticker up anyways, but I did write it again. That's so silly. I'm sure I missed something from my actual planner that I was supposed to do. Oh well. Okay, I put down that flag, and again, I trimmed down a laptop to mark that I had to like read our lease, which was like 50 pages. I'm showing you my broken X-Acto knife that does this constantly, that I show you all the time, that I always swear I'm going to stab myself one day. It was like stuck in the lid. And I'm using that Simply Gilded washi to take up some space, because I think I talked about this in my last plan with me. A lot of times when I'm like doing these rewind plan with me's, I do it off of my actual like plum paper planner that I have on me 24/7, except for I don't have it on me on Friday nights. I like whatever. So if I don't do these plan with me's close to whenever it actually happened, a lot of times I don't remember what I did on Friday night. I have no idea what I did that Friday night. Yeah, and I totally wrote sort bed delivery with me twice. That adulting sticker is from the Planner Sophisticate collaboration with My Newest Addiction, and I think it's really cute. Saturday was the day that we actually moved. I marked it with a box from Dizzy Daisy Dreams, who's unfortunately no longer open, which makes me so sad because I love her stickers. And then I did again this OMFG sticker from that same Planner Sophisticate collab with My Newest Addiction, just to mark the moving day. We're so excited to move. We held off on it for a really long time, just because my boyfriend and I, like, we've been together for 12 years, basically, this July. And I was always like, oh, let's wait till we get married. And we had, like a financial goal that we wanted to reach, be able to like buy a house by the time we moved out, because we were like stayed with our parents for a really long time to save a lot of money. But it kind of got to the point where, like, I don't know, he got a raise and a promotion, and I got good news for my job as well. And like, we were both commuting, I talk about it all the time, 3 hours a day to like work at jobs literally across the street from each other, and the commute was just dragging so much out of both of our lives. So yeah, we finally just like bit the bullet and did it, and I'm so happy. I love our apartment so much. It's so cute, and it's like the best thing ever, honestly. So I marked a couple of things at the bottom. Sorry, I talked over it. One of them was that I got my Instagram hacked on Saturday night. You may or may not have noticed that happened. I'm just going to tell you right now, go onto your Instagram, go onto any account that means anything to you, anything that your like credit card is linked to, and please, please, please turn on two-factor authentication, which basically means if anybody tries to log into your account, it'll send your phone a text message with a code, and you have to put that code in. So it's basically just kind of like double protection for you. Please do that, because it was not fun having my Instagram hacked. If you have MyFitnessPal, it was because they had a security breach, and I had the same username and login information on MyFitnessPal as my Instagram. This has happened to a couple other people I've met. So if you have a MyFitnessPal, change all your passwords that are the same as your MyFitnessPal ones. Also, sorry I totally talked over all of Saturday or Sunday, basically. Sunday I just packed. We had our bed delivered, and we went to dinner with both of our parents because they helped us, quote unquote, helped us move. I think they really just wanted to come see our new apartment. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions about the stickers that I use on Saturday or Sunday, go ahead and ask me in the comments below. And that's all. You can get this kit and any other from GP Sticker Studio with the code LaurenPR20 for 20% off. And that's all. Bye guys. Thanks.